Hi everyone, my name is Lucy. I'm the head of treatment for Premier Laser Skin. I'm welcome to answer your questions. The oxygen facial is very relaxing treatment, delivers 98% of pure oxygen into the skin to rejuvenate, brighten, and clear the impurities. Oxygen facial delivers different ampules into the skin to reduce fine line and wrinkles, brighten the skin, and to clean the impurities. Oxygen facial works by delivering ampules onto the skin. So ampules will be poured into this holder. Then this pen will spray the ampule over to make sure the ampule is infused deep into the skin. The benefit of those ampules are this one's rejuvenate for glowing skin, and this one is brightening for uneven pigmentation, and we have clarity, which is for congested with oily skin, and we have booster. It's like a Botox in a bottle for enhanced anti-aging results. Oxygen facial treatment is suitable for all skin types. People who need extra hydration on the skin to reduce dehydration lines, and people who have congested skin, which the oxygen can kill the bacteria, help the skin to heal much faster. As well as before any event, to have a glow skin. This treatment, it is favored by Madonna, by Brad Pitt, by Kim Kardashian, so it's a very luxury, rejuvenating, glowing treatment before any red carpet or events. The oxygen facial treatment takes 60 minutes. You can come in during your lunchtime, and straight after the treatment, you can wear makeup. The difference between Hydrafacial and the oxygen facial is that Hydrafacial focuses on the deep cleansing, gently exfoliate the dead skin and peel off the dead skin, open the pores, where the oxygen facial is focused on oxygenating the skin. If combine both treatments together, skin can benefit the most because the Hydrafacial opens the pores, ready to receive the pure oxygen and the benefit of the ampules. The oxygen facial treatments are exclusively available in our Clapham Common Clinic and the Kingston Upon Thames Clinic.